Part 2. Now I've got my basic outline of the building, I need to start putting bits in. Again, I'm going to work out how high this first ledge is. So 1 metre, 1.5 metres, 3 metres, 4.5 metres. So this first part is about 5 metres high. So I'm going to use my shapes. I'm going to come out the bottom a little bit to draw my base, and then I'm going to draw up. And again, this is going to be about 5 metres high. The only tool you really need to use is the rectangle and push-pull. I'm now going to add in this part here. Now if you notice, the window again here sticks out. It's called a bay window, and I'm going to work out that is about 1.5 metres high. So again, I'm going to come back, I'm going to use rectangle, and I can measure at the bottom, and it says that's about 1.5 metres. There we go. And I know that that is to scale. And I can go up 1.5 metres, and again this is all to scale. Back to my picture, and now notice this overhangs, and then this is a lot bigger. So again, if I turn my person on the side, I know it's 1.5 metres, 3 metres, so it's about 4.5 metres, but all times using scale. And then this part is quite hard to do. So what I recommend here is you draw it on the wall itself. So I'm going to, on the face, I'm going to draw about 4.5 metres. Here we go. And then I can actually push-pull out the front. So now I have my other part. And if you notice, it goes up into the roof. So I can pull up to the roof. So again, I'm building my building up bit by bit by bit. Finally, if you notice, we have a pointed roof. On the top here, I can zoom in. Again, I'm going to use my rectangle, and I'm going to draw my rectangle over this part of the roof, because then I will be able to push-pull the whole roof up. Now, to create the vaulted roof, if you move along, it will stop in the midpoint. Here is the midpoint. And down. And again, down. I can then use push-pull to create my roof. Don't worry, we can get rid of these bits later. So now we have our building. We can now add in all the other things we need to add in. I can add in this slanted roof, I can add in the windows, etc., etc. All you need to use is push-pull and the ruler tool. I can then even pull this bit down so it goes inside the building. Keep working with this, keep working to scale, keep measuring, and you'll be successful. If after this you still haven't completed it, but you want to try something else at home, you can download models of anything. These have been made by professional architects and designers, and they are all to scale. And here is Chester Cathedral to scale on my map. There we go. And hopefully this is something that you can all work towards. This, although very technical, all they have used is push-pull, rectangles, and push-pull shapes, constantly measuring and constantly measuring it to scale.